Anong message mo sa kanila?
Ayun, sa mga nag-aaway-aaway guys, please spread positivity. Mas panatilihin natin yung kindness at magkaroon na tayo ng happy shipping kasi kami we're just really open to work with each other. So, para sa mga supporters, na-appreciate ko kayo but we don't have to fight over kumbaga, kung ikasasaya ito ng iba, ibigay natin ito sa kanila at kung ano yung ikasasaya natin, rektahan natin na hindi nananapak ng iba. So let's just spread positivity and know that I love you guys. At kagaya na sinasabi ko, panatilihin na natin yung kindness and love sa bawat isa. Dahil I hope nasa management naman yun, kung sino talaga magkaka-work. Ako, I'm just really open to work with anyone and I'm really close with everyone.
Alright, aside from that, I got to talk to some of the ABS-CBN housemates also. And sinasabi nila na during your stay in the house, walang kapuso at walang kapamilya. Was it like that for your experience?
It is really like that. Kasi, I mean, for me personally, since galing din ako I know a few people na from there. Pero aside from that, talagang hindi namin pinaramdam na may kanya-kanya kaming networks kasi it's a collab and we're really open to work with one another. And that's the beauty of the PBB Collab Edition is that nag-unite yung both networks to build something great, to bond between artists. And that's really what I'm hoping for and looking forward since I've been a kapamilya din naman and ngayon nakapuso ako. I'm just really happy na nagkakaroon ng ganong samahan yung both networks. And I'm just really looking forward for what's to come para sa aming lahat.
Thank you so much, Marco.
Marco, kamusta ka na after PBB? Anong next project? Di ba you have a movie?
Yeah, magkakaroon ako ng, meron akong movie. May kasama din akong housemate, PBB Collab Edition 2.0 housemate na si Sofia and may PBB Collab 1 na mga housemates din doon. So it's showing this April 15. So I hope you guys see it. Yun, wag kang titingin. That's it.
This is horror, no?
Yeah, it's horror.
So, parang ngayon na nasa labas ka na ng PBB, parang marami rin nagtatanong, wala na bang Marco and Ashley love team?
Well, ako, I mean, of course, ayan, kagaya din sa ayan, oo naman, syempre meron pa rin naman yung closest naman namin ni Ashley. Kasi hindi na mawawala yun. And hindi na yun matatapos. But siguro, at least, ngayon, nagkaroon na ng linaw na talagang yung friendship namin ay talagang mas strong. At yun din naman talaga iniingatan namin ni Ashley. And work-wise, I really love working with her dahil sa tagal namin nagkakatrabaho, kumbaga nagamay na namin yung isa't isa. But gaya na sabi ko, I'm really open to work with anyone, to test myself out of my comfort zone naman. And to make sure na natututo din ako sa mga nakakatrabaho ko. And I'm pretty sure na Ashley is really open to work with anyone then. At hindi naman na mawawala yung friendship namin. So there's nothing really to worry about. And ako, I just really wanna embrace this work, embrace this craft. And whoever I work with, I'm gonna be grateful and I'm gonna be happy.
Ano lang masasabi mo doon sa love story nilang dalawa, ni Rave?
Oh my,
Very supportive ka ba?
witness ako doon, guys. I watched it, I was there. So I'm just really happy for my friend Ashley na nakatagpo siya ng guy na katulad ni Rave. At ayun, I just wish the best for them. And para naman sa kanila, nakikita ko naman yung sincerity and yung pure and genuine intentions nila sa isa't isa. So I just wish na mas maging masaya sila. And ayun, I'm just looking forward din. Malay niyo, magka-project din sila. And I'm just gonna be a supportive friend of Ashley and Rave sa kung ano man magiging journey nila together.
So, wanna clear things, walang selosan.
Wala talaga. Wala talaga. Me and Ashley were good friends and we support each other.
Last na lang sa akin, Marco, parang you're a Nathaniel before.
Yeah.
And kung ba nag-trending din yung picture yung dalawa ni Gerald na magkasama na bata ka pa, tapos na magkasama na. What's the story behind that na nagkita kayo?
Kasi
And
I got to see him sa birthday niya. Na-invite ako sa birthday niya and it's really nice na panatili namin yung contact namin sa isa't isa ni Kuya Gerald. Kasi Kuya Gerald is also someone I look up to. Talagang hinahangaan ko siya and he's really a nice guy, very humble and yung story behind it kasi may mga throwback pictures kami since tatay ko siya before sa Nathaniel. And after so long, nakita ko ulit siya. So I'm just really happy and yes, since nagkakaroon naman na ng collab, I'm just really looking forward to work with him again.
Anong sinabi niya sa'yo nung nakita ka niya? Ang laki mo na.
Ayun, yun yung talaga sinabi sa akin, laki ko na at ayun, grabe lang talaga yung feeling, sobrang saya lang talaga sa feeling na close ko pa rin talaga si Kuya Jen and sobrang humble pa rin talaga ni Kuya Jen, hindi talaga siya nagbabago.
Open working again to him soon.
Yes, and kung sakali man, baka action naman, di ba? Since I'm really open to action din and nakikita ko yung mga action stunts din siyang ginagawa. So yeah, I'm excited.
Thank you,
Thank
Marco.
you.